Naitwa nani?
Clyde.
Clyde nani?
Wilson.
Grade
7.
7. Miaka ngapi Clyde?
13.
Ya? 13. Soma kitabu ipi? Where do you live? Sasa tusomee leo.
Well, said Mike. His home is in the tall grass. That is where rabbits live. Mike was a boy with nothing at all to do. That isn't very much fun. So Mike thought, I will walk a little more, he said, and see what I can see. So he did. He walked and he walked until he met a squirrel. He met a furry grass squirrel with a fishy tail. Where do you live? Asked Mike. The squirrel didn't answer. A squirrel can't talk, but he can scurry. So he did. Hurry, scurry went the squirrel. Walk went Mike, and suddenly the
Class what? Jina? Leonard. Grade?
2.
Miaka ngapi Leonard?
8.
8. Soma kitabu ipi? Hygiene and nutrition. Ndio. Sasa nataka to recite this poem to the rest of the class. Sasa recite.
Handkerchief, socks, towel, toothbrush, comb. Your personal item. Handkerchief, socks, towel, toothbrush, comb.
Must be cleaned.
Must be clean for
my own
personal good.
I ensure
you are clean. Thank you
for being my friend. What would I do without you? What would I do without you? Papa.
What will I do
without you? Nice one. Gina? Eliud. Grade 5. Miaka ngapi Eliud? 15. Sasa tusome wote, si ndio? Sasa tusome kitabu. Nasema 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish, si ndio?
1 fish, 2 fish.
Sasa tunaanza na hiyo
blue fish.
In blue fish alafu old fish, new fish. This one has a little star. This one has a little car. Say what a lot of fish there are. Then yes.